Filthy Phil is back, and that's from a Club MX team PR release, whatever you want to call it, saying, quote, "It's a miracle. Phil's spectacular crash at Hangtown resulted in what was believed to be a career-ending injury to his knee. With some proper imaging and Phil-style rehab, the damage was not as extensive as we first thought. All that to say, Phil is going to be lining up at High Point to keep building points to stay out of the LCQ program for SMX. Does it hurt? Yes. Will there be some discomfort? Yes. Will he be happy this weekend? Absolutely. Probably not. He'll probably be in pain, but the youth of today may never know how much effort, sacrifice, and willpower it takes to perform at Phil's level, but if they look up the word determination on their smartphone, Phil's picture will show up first, blah, 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 blah. He actually trained on his bike today and is ready to make the trip north. It is a great story if you were to see his knee the size of a grapefruit last week, where it is now." And that's from Mike Bonacci, or however you say his last name. I'm sorry. I'm going to butcher last names forever. The team manager of Coleman Max. And that's great news, because obviously this is his farewell tour, whatever you want to call it. His last motocross season, his last, I think, season racing, if I'm correct about that. I don't think he's racing Supercross only, but this is good. Obviously, if he can collect some points, if he can make it into Supercross, get some more money, maybe, show a couple podiums, maybe. I mean, he was looking really good before his crash last weekend, or not last weekend, at Hangtown, whatever. So if he can come back, if he can race and he can be productive and competitive, this is great news. But I don't know, you guys comment down below. Tell me where you think he finishes. Who do you think wins 250s? Who do you think wins 450s? What do you think happens this weekend? Or whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.